Welcome back kids. Today we are going to learn English subject. In this subject we will learn unit number 8 and poem number 1. Here is a small poem and the name of this poem is The Sun. We all familiar with the sun. Yes or not? Sun means सूरज. मराठी में हम सूर्य कहते हैं, है ना? So in this poem we will learn about sun and one boy. Here is a poet. Okay, so first tell me where we can see the sun. Yes, we can see the sun in the sky which shines brightly. Yes or not? Sun shines brightly and it gives us heat, then light, and also vitamin D. Sun rises from the east and sets from the west. So today we are going to see the small poem about sun. The poet's name is John Drinkwater. So look here. It's your textbook page number 72. And unit number 8, poem number 1, The Sun. We will read it. Okay. Now hear the poem. You all listen carefully. I will read it. Okay. I told the sun that I was glad. I'm sure I don't know why. Somehow the pleasant way he had of shining in the sky just put a notion in my head that wouldn't it be fun if walking on the hill I said I am happy to the sun. Now here is a John Drinkwater. It's a poet's name. And here the word glad. Glad means happy, pleasant. Okay. Then here is glad. The poet said that I told the sun that I was glad. Glad means happy. But I don't know why. Okay. The poet says that the sun that he was happy, but he was not knowing why he was happy. Okay, somehow the pleasant way he had of shining in the sky. Pleasant means nice or happy. So, somehow the pleasant way he had of shining in the sky. Okay, then just put a notion in my head that wouldn't it be fun? It walking on the hill, I said I am happy to the sun. Now here, students, notion means idea. Now here the poet got idea. And he said that it not for fun. Okay. So here is hill. Hill means a small mountain. Poet gets an idea. And the poets say the sun that I am happy. And this idea is not for fun. And the poet thought that it is because of the pleasant sun. This idea got the poet for pleasant because of pleasant sun. Okay. So when the poet was walking on the hill, that time he wants to say the sun that he was happy. Okay. In this poem, the poet is very happy and he wants to say the sun that he was happy. Okay, I hope you understood this poem. Now here exercise number 2, write the rhyming words. And so first word is here why, why, why. So the rhyming word of why is sky, sky, sky. Look here, S K Y, sky. Okay, then glad, And in the poem, the rhyming word of glad is had. H-A-D, had. Then third word is fun. F-U-N, fun. And the rhyming word of fun is S-U-N, sun. Now fourth word is hate. And for the head, the rhyming word is said. S-A-I-D, said. Okay. Now next exercise. Number 3. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks using words given in the bracket. Now we can see here bracket. Okay. And here we can see some words: eating, climbing, singing, shining. Now we will fill these words on correct place. So first fill in the blank here. The sun is in the sky. Sun is dash in the sky. So what's the answer? Sun shining. So this is the shining word. S-H-I-N-I-N-G, shining. So you have to write this word here. Okay, for the first fill in the blank. Then second, fill in the blank here. Raj is dash a ladder. What is dash? Raj climbing a ladder. So write here climbing word. C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G, climbing. So write there climbing word. Okay, so this is answer of second fill in the blank, climbing. Then third, what's the action here? One boy who is singing. So here is fill in the blank. John is dash a song. What? Singing a song. So write here singing. Next is fourth. You can see here one girl. Jenny is dash a banana. What? So here is word eating. Jenny is eating a banana. So you have to write here eating. E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. Okay. So we again repeat this poem. I told the sun that I was glad. I am sure I don't know why. Somehow the pleasant way he had of shining in the sky just put a notion in my head that wouldn't it be fun if walking on the hill I said I am happy to the sun. So this is the poem. You also try to learn this poem and repeat it. So today homework is write rhyming words 5 times and fill in the blanks in your English notebook. This is only one time. I hope you understood this poem. Okay. So thank you. Bye.